what's up? I'm Mary and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, we will go through 9 exercises. Half of them will be more cardio and then the other half will be more ab work. Each exercise will be 20 seconds long. So for the 9 exercises, we'll complete those in 3 minutes. And we are going to repeat the same series 3 times. So the total workout should only be about 9 to 10 minutes long. And you won't need any equipment at all for this workout except for maybe a mat, some water, and a towel if you'd like it. And so with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into the workout. Alrighty, so starting off with your very first exercise, coming to a wide squat position. So the feet are just slightly wider than your hips and the toes are parallel. From here, bring the palms of prayer, squat down. We're pulsing down twice. Lift, jump, reach the arms back. Once the toes reach down, 2 pulses, lift, jump. So it's squat, pulse, pulse, jump. Squat, pulse, pulse, jump. First 20 seconds, right here, you take it down. Pulse, pulse, lift, jump. Good, so you have 3 standing exercises and 6 exercises on the mat. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next exercise, alternating curtsy lunges. So starting with the feet hip distance apart and parallel, palms to prayer, elbows are wide, cross right leg back, and then left leg back. And now timer's on, cross, cross. Good, so maintaining a little turnout with the toes. So you'll feel this more through the outer seat, inner thighs, and outer thighs. Keeping the back heel lifted. Light touch down with the toes. Here's 3, 2, 1. All right, last standing exercise for the first round. Walking the feet wider than the hips. Toes are turned out. We're coming to lateral lunges, so bending left knee and then right knee and reaching opposite fingertips to opposite ankle. Timer's on. Remember, each exercise is only 20 seconds long. Try to dig down with the heels. Try to keep the spine lengthened so you hinge forward from the hips. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and we are getting into some ab work on the mat. So coming down, resting onto the back. So from the start, reaching the arms overhead, reaching the legs long in front of you. From here, we're lifting the torso and right leg, lower down. And then lift the torso with the left leg, lower down. So just alternating jackknives. And your clock is on. Lift to the right, lower, lift to the left, lower. Good, exhale on the way up, inhale on the way down. Remember, these exercises are quick, 20 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and bending the knees, planting the feet. Reach the arms towards the heels. Lift the shoulder blades off the mat. And from here, side crunches, reaching almost like you want to tap the heel with your fingertips. So you reach to the right, then left. Oblique crunches here. 20 seconds started. Reach to the right, then left. Right, then left. Good, you can really dig the feet down here as well to make sure that your low back is pressing into the mat and gain a little bit more height underneath the shoulder blades. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And from there, just lifting the knee so that they're above the hips and the knees are bent to about 90 degrees. You're keeping the legs exactly in this shape. If you even want to squeeze the inner thighs together, that's perfectly okay. Head, neck, and shoulders are resting down onto the mat. Arms along by the sides with the palms facing up so your chest feels more open. From here, you're lowering the thighs down away from the face until the toes tap. Squeeze low abs and belly button pulls into the spine to lift the knees just above the hips. Now, I say this pretty often every time I guide you through this exercise. You want to avoid just a bend in tap of the toes. You're going to lose all the work that way. You want to keep the shape locked exactly in 90 degrees. Lower it down and lift it up. Timer's on. Take it down and up. Toes tap and lift. Now, if you feel like the low back is peeling off the mat at all, then bring the legs to about a 3/4 bend and just lower down halfway. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, coming into some push-ups. So here, I'm going to be down on my knees with my heels pulled in towards my seat. My hands are just slightly wider than my shoulders. And from here, you just inhale as you bend down and exhale as you press out. 20 seconds here. Take it down and up. Inhale, exhale. And if you would like to level up, you always have the option to do these on the toes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and just coming down to the elbows, down to the forearms, curling the toes under in your forearm plank. We're staying here in stationary for 20 seconds starting now. So a little tuck of the tailbone under, draw in the belly button towards the spine. Let the neck be in line with the spine so your gaze is just slightly down and forward in front of the fingertips. Even straighten through the quads for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just pressing back up to the palms for 20 seconds of mountain climbers, pulling opposite knee to opposite elbow. Timer's on. Push the palms down through the earth. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, second round, coming back to the squats. Palms to prayer, elbows wide. You squat, pulse, pulse, lift, jump. So the timer's already on, getting right into that second round. No time is wasted here. Keeping the weight back in the heels. Light landings with the toes. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, alternating curtsy lunges starting now. Cross, return, cross, return. Taking this any pace that you like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to the lateral lunges, starting here. Take it, reach, reach, good, lunge, lunge. Active stretch back of the arm that's reaching back. Inner thighs and outer thighs, a little cardio. 3, 2, 1. And back to alternating a jackknife. Starting here, reach up right leg, lower, left leg, lower. Keep on breathing, keep on going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to the oblique crunches. Again, reaching the arms forward, curling to side, starting here. Curl right and left, right, left. And feeling this through the waistline, even through the low abs as well, as you keep the belly button pulling back in towards the earth. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, low abs, tabletop legs, head, neck, and shoulders are resting down. You just tap the toes, lower the thighs, and lift back up. Starting here, down, up, lower, lift. Good. Inhale as the toes lower. Exhale as you lift the knees. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, and coming down to the knees, hands are wide, push-up position. 20 seconds starting here. Inhale down, exhale up. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, back down to the forearm plank, and your timer is on. So the elbows are down, forearms are down, toes are curled under, feet are hips distance apart, belly button's pulled in, subtle tuck under of the tailbone. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to mountain climbers starting here. You can take these at any pace that you like. Keeping the hips low, still in level. 3, 2, 1. All right, how are you feeling? We're coming into our very final round. Coming into squats, starting here, down, pulse, pulse, lift, jump. Now you want to make sure to keep the knees over the ankles. Keeping the hips shifting back and down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to curtsy lunges, cross right, return, cross left, return. Light landings with the feet. Try to keep the navel pulling back and in for 3, 2, 1. And right back to the lateral lunges. Lunge right, left. Little twist through the waistline, through the spine as you reach opposite fingertips to opposite ankle, getting a little bit through the obliques for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternating single leg jackknives, starting here, take it up to the right leg, lower, up to the left leg, lower. Awesome job, keep on breathing, keep on going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, side oblique crunches, curl to the right and left, curl to the right and left. Lift the shoulders a little bit higher, close the eyes. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, legs come to the tabletop, lower abs, toes tap and lift, tap and lift. Again, you want to avoid any peeling up of the low back. Drawing the belly button in towards the spine for 3, 2, 1. All right, final round, final minute, push-ups, 20 seconds here. Bend, press, inhale, exhale. And that's your 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forearm plank, onto the forearms, onto the toes, right here. Close the eyes, continue breathing. Tighten every muscle that you can here. Only a couple more seconds. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And last but not least, mountain climbers right here. Pull right, left, right, left. Final little cardio blast. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, you can press it back, hips to the heels, arms reach forward, child's pose. And you can stay there as long as you like or come to a seated position. And then go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly do hope that you enjoyed this workout. I know this was kind of a short and sweet little workout, so if you have more fire, if you have more energy, of course, always feel free to check out the rest of my videos. And if you are new to my channel and if you did enjoy this workout, please consider subscribing to my channel. And with all that being said, stay healthy, stay hydrated, stay happy, and have a great rest of your day.